Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to upload music to Spotify on Android. So first, you need to open your Spotify app. From here, tap on the settings icon on the top right. Once you're here, scroll down and find the local files option. And after finding it, you will see an option, show audio files from this device. Turn this on. And after you're done with this step, go back to your home page. Here, tap on your library on the bottom. And as you can see, there is a folder for local files. Tap on local files. On this playlist, you will get to see all the audio files that are stored in your phone. So this way you can use all the features available on the Spotify app on the local music from your device. And you can have access to them whenever and wherever you are. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.